Hello guys, good morning guys. How are you guys? How did you like crazy volatility yesterday? That was crazy. That was absolutely crazy yesterday. I mean, yesterday to get 500 points wasn't a big deal. So I decided to stay away from steaming yesterday because honestly I expected to get this volatility. It was just crazy. Just crazy. And I was like, okay, just I'm going to trade on my own. Don't want to recommend something or something like this, it was crazy. Yes, I did trade. Hello, I remember you, of course. Yeah, it's exactly, it's normal for nowadays, unfortunately. Okay, guys, market is about to be open. Honestly, this week right here, as you can see, was on fake news yesterday. So right now it's data high, yes. On both yes and previous day high is data high, and this is fake news data high. So I believe we may take this level. And once again, 5% right now is right here, right above previous day high level. 300 points away. Not a big deal, 300 points away can be reached for 5 seconds. Because yesterday we jumped I believe 800 points for 4 minutes. I mean it was crazy. So I would like to see new high of the day and of the week today. If I get new high of the week and of the day today, it can be potential Tuesday high of the week, I believe. I hope. But we'll see how it goes. Market is open, guys. Right now we're up 3.4% on both yes and Q. So still waiting for previous day high taken because I consider this level as potential data high, fake news data high, or something like this. So I cannot say I have perfect bias for the day. I mean, that's crazy. Yeah, I consider this as manipulation up for now. Let me see. So yeah, we got sweep right here yesterday. Yeah, previous day high will be nice to see, honestly. If not on both yes and Q, on yes, preferably. And once again, right above previous day high level, we have 5% limit. All I'm looking right now is this untapped fair value gap because NQ traded into this fair value gap yesterday. ES failed. Let me move my crystal ball. So looking at this fair value gap right now, why it's so bright? So that's going to be 4-hour fair value gap. My key level for now. Even in my pre-market plan, I stated I'm not going to look higher than 4 for value gap just for now because this is going to be strong barrier for price. So yeah, going to keep my eyes on this for our fair value gap. Okay, looking at different instruments. So I was looking for this setup. I mean, this play out. I expect to get maybe after 9:30 a.m. Okay, play out. On gold, honestly, hard to say. I mean, I opened daily chart, so I don't have bias on gold right now. Yes, we got an inversion right here. Price traded into this inversion yesterday. We got immediate rebalance right here, but honestly, not going to lie, hard to find good setup right now. I will stay away probably. Definitely inside market maker sell model, but right here kind of hard, not going to lie. Look at silver right now. If I want to look for SMT, right? This is how it looks hourly chart, guys. It's consolidation, so that's why I'm going to stay away from gold, at least for now. At least we may take consolidation high or low on silver to get SMT or something like this. So we will see how it goes. Once again, still watching previous day high level on ES and NQ, but on ES like preferably. If it wants to offer SMT, I will accept the situation, but need to take this level on ES. And guys, also probably you noticed that yesterday we took equilibrium Friday range with this fake news run. Like it was huge week on hourly chart right from this equilibrium Friday range. It was amazing. Oops, I want to open 1 minute chart. Okay, market opens for last minutes. We don't have any first presented fair value gaps yet. We have SMT right now. Both ES and Q trying to stay above equilibrium Friday range. Right now in premium. Okay, what we can see, we don't have confirmed sweep yet, right? It's not confirmed sweep yet, but we have potential SMT. Which makes me feel like if we may get 10 a.m. continuation, we will see manipulation down, possible silver bullet for long. It's like just for now. Maybe the situation will change, I don't know. But since we got SMT right here, price keep going higher. We don't have confirmed for our sweep on NQ yet. But if we get this, 10 a.m. should be, yeah, probably manipulation down to continue higher. That's the plan for now. I can be wrong. We will see how it goes. Just not going to be in a rush. And guys, I would like to make a note right now. Can you see this weekly candle right here? Since it's only Tuesday, this candle easily can be down close candle by the end of the week. This move up can be easily manipulation. Just overall weekly manipulation. Yeah. Since Monday we just moved higher and right now it continue going higher. Yeah. Probably situation will change and we will close down like red candle because we got like open. Yeah, we got like manipulation, you want to tell me, but it's only Tuesday. Easily to see like high and then low again. Easily can be bearish candle by the end of the week. Well, just trying to find what is going on so far. Both will take previous day high level. I don't mind to see at least SMT if it wants to drop, because if it wants to drop, yes, will easily drop like 100 points down. 30-minute real quick, nothing yet. About to offer SMT, but we need to wait for 23 minutes to confirm this structure. So, okay. I would say for retracement down, if it wants to offer order block right now, for the retracement down, we easily can drop all the way down to the flat candle. Right here. Right, yep. That's 5-minute flat candle, wickless candle, candle that doesn't have wick, flat candle. And then New York midnight open. Let's see if it may confirm order block. Hello. So 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Now that's great question if it wants to be order block on both ES and NQ, because it will confirm change in the state of delivery. On both, it will be in sync, in other words, right? And if we get this, I believe ES might drop to this flat candle. Yes, I did trade yesterday. They're trying to play lots of games right now. As you can see, previous day high right here. They reversed. And so far we did nothing. If I want to, let's say I want to ignore this huge candle because it was like fake news. We're trying to just respect equilibrium of Friday range again and probably some sort of PD and high time frame on 1 hour chart. We're actually going to check this right now. Let's say I want to ignore this. Yeah, we got order block right here. See this? Same right here. Now the question, what will happen right now? Because if we get flat candle, I believe NQ will drop somewhere right here. We got order block on 3-minute chart. We will see how it goes. Gold. So to short gold, I need to see our sweep at least. Right now we're about to get sweep, but it will be confirmed only 20 minutes. Got binary closure right here, which confirms order block. Still trying to stay away, honestly. You know why? Overall picture on high time frame still bearish. Like overall picture on daily, weekly, 4-hour chart. But as I said before, I consider this as manipulation up, and we easily can continue going higher, at least to take previous day high level. So I would like to wait for solid confirmation, because right now, if it wants to go down, I anticipate to see retracement probably. And right now it's 9:40 only. Maybe it makes sense to wait for 10 a.m. to get silver bullet, right? Okay, we got first presented for value gap right here. Price trying to just pick this first presented so far. Forgot to check this. What else? We got reclaimed for a value gap right here. I hope everyone know what is reclaimed for a value gap. I don't need to spend time on this. Huge range, by the way, just check, like from current price to this order block, it's like 150 points away. Not going to trade huge size. So we got SMT so far right here. I would like to see move lower first, honestly. just to this order block right here, this dominant order block. Yes, it trades to this breaker block. And Q looks kind of strange, so staying away so far. Just waiting for hypervolatility setup, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Do we have any news at 10? I believe no. We don't have any, right? Important news at 10. Hello, guys who just joined. Hello, good morning, guys. I'm trying to respect 15-minute fair value gap on both ES and Q. By the way. Yes, we need to sell 99% off. Please give us 99% off. It's time for this. Lots of prop firms already offered perfect deals. Waiting for sale. Waiting for sale. No, maybe not 99%, but maybe 90%. Only 90%, that's all you ask. Okay, maybe 80%. We will be fine with 80% as well. Inverted was presented for value gap so far. Sitting on my hands. Just interesting what will happen next. My only concern on ES, it was so close to previous day high level, so once again, I will short if we may get 30-minute sweep. I will try this if we may get 30-minute sweep. If not, then it's just not trades so at this point. I mean short at this point. Okay, broke this SMT. Where is first presented SMT on ES? Yes, it's right here as well. Okay. Let's say this. First presented fair value gap. Now we have template for this. Here we go. And where is this first presented? Still going to keep my eyes on this 30-minute candle right here and right here, because it doesn't really make sense right now to look on 15-minute chart, because 15-minute chart is just extremely bullish. Probably will not confirm reversal, but 30-minute chart is already like medium high time frame charts, right? So we can get some sort of confirmation on 30-minute chart if we get sweep somewhere right here. Please. Just be careful, guys. Volatility is crazy. Try to trade small size. If you can trade 1 micro. I believe with this volatility, you don't need to think about profit, but you need to think about like quality of setup. And if you see perfect setup, but you see this, how huge is range right now, maybe it makes sense to trade 1-2 micros. Nothing wrong with this. Because when you have huge range, you want to have exactly same stop loss, for example, amount of dollars as you usually have. Let's say you have like $300 stop loss, but when we have like 100 point stop loss, calculate how many micros you need to trade at this point. So we got SMT again. It's trying to hold this 5-minute order block right here. See, we tested like 50% price trying to reject. Offer it inversion right here. Let's see if it wants to be declaimed for a value gap on first presented. Actually, it can be. Let me see. It's not guaranteed yet. See, like if it wants to be like reclaimed for a value gap, it's not yet, right? But if it wants to be reclaimed for a value gap, see how many points like we're away from high. 116. 116. That's a lot. Just at this point, all you want to do is just trade with 1-2 micros, right? Nothing wrong with this. Which projections? I don't have any projections yet. We got reclaimed. My inner voice trying to tell me like try this short. But I'm not in yet, guys. I'm like kind of want this, but the reason that they left previous day high level makes me feel like the 3-minute chart, by the way, right here. Let's open 5-minute chart to see what is going on. Okay, so far I don't really see order block. New order block, we got sweep right here. That's pretty much it. So no trades yet. Sitting with 0 trades so far. Not extremely confident with shorts in this market yet, especially if it left previous day high level. Okay, no trades yet, guys. Let's see, just let's see how it goes. Guys, I will show my executions. That's my ninja trader. Going to trade micros. Not sure if you can. Need to adjust this a little bit, I guess, somehow. Okay, that's going to be micros. My only, confusion right now, once again, I don't want to blend the short. Ideally, I want to see sweep, or let's say SMT on high time frame. I just don't want to trust 1-minute chart confirmation. Yeah, not going to sell. We'll see how it goes. Not going to be in rush, guys. Not going to be in rush. Just trying to stay smart in this volatility. Crazy volatility. Crazy volatility. look at this, one more sweep right here. Yes, cannot break this high again. Right here. It was trying right here, and it's right here. Still cannot break it. Yesterday. It was crazy. Okay, let's see how it goes. Once again, 5% limit on NQ is right above previous day high level. Yeah, no trade for me yet. Yeah, guys, highly recommend to trade 1-2 micro. Once again, nothing wrong with this to trade 1-2 micro and this volatility. It's all about how you manage your risk, right? You're still trying to take this high. What time is this? 5 minutes left. Let's see how this 30-minute candle is going to look in 5 minutes. Yeah, with let's say stop loss is going to be 70 points, right? With 1 micro, it's around like $140, right? With 2 micros, it's going to be $280. If you risk like $300 per trade, you need to trade 2 micros at this point with stop loss around like 70 points, 75 points. That's all. And you need to include commission in this. So, interesting. Interesting. How many points away? They're like at 18 points away from previous day high level. Just for now, all I see is obvious draw on yes, previous day high level. On NQ, it's like optional, previous day high level. Preferably, but optional. Needs to pump 14 more points. You got volume balance right here. Interesting. Can I see this on Ninja Trader? Because yesterday I noticed when I was trying to frame the trade on MNQ on Ninja Trader, NQ and M and Q on TradingView gave me absolutely different data. Like candles look completely different. I was like, and price difference was like 70 points, something like this. It was crazy. It was around like 10:30. I don't remember for sure. Watching if my take previous day high level. On yes. Trump is waiting for Trump's speech. I believe. Not speech, but probably he is going to tweet something, right? And it's going to be crazy volatility. Highly recommend, guys. Highly recommend to check this out if you can. Send the link in the chat, guys. Just create account for free there. So you can track news there. It's going to be smart. At least you will you will be updated with news. Okay, guys, send the link in the chat. Just create free account. It's completely free. I would say I'm fine to not take any trades today. I mean, like, no trades today is okay for me. Like, I will try to look for something, but cannot promise any trades. Okay, ES took previous day high levels. That's amazing, brilliant, perfect, as we wanted to see. We have SMT so far. Only like small issue right now. ES failed to take for our fair value gap. Gold. What is going on, gold? I guess makes sense to wait for 10. At least we can confirm potential sweep, you know, on gold. Nothing yet. And I'm keeping my eyes on silver consolidation. It's still inside consolidation. We need to take at least consolidation high if you want to look for short, or consolidation low if you want to look for long. Just right now it's consolidation. Probably makes sense to wait. Okay, guys, it's 10 a.m. We got SMT so far between ES and NQ. That's okay. If it wants to drop like right now, it will be okay as well. Needs to get the structure. Also, we have minor SMT right here, as you can see. Okay, what is going on about news? Nothing yet, right? Okay. Perfect. Right now we touch this flower for value gap. So I believe this flower for value can give us reaction. If not right now, like later, but today. I would like to see retracement. Not talking about reversal right now. No. I'm talking about this retracement from this flower for value gap, because a reaction must be presented. Since we got for RPD, maybe makes sense to wait for 5-minute structure, but if I want to just look on 5-minute chart and wait for 5-minute structure, we need to get order block. That order block is just 200 points range. Only 200 points range. Not smart. But maybe something on 2-minute chart. That's nothing. Yeah, exactly. That's nothing. Only 200 points. Like nowadays, it's nothing. Trying to see who is stronger right now, ES or NQ. Can't say for sure yet. Five-minute inversion, yes, can be enough. Just need to wait like more, like deeper retracement. Stop loss is going to be bigger, right? This 15-second candle has the 100 points exactly. So that's life. Let's ask to create Nana contracts. We don't mind. I'm kidding. Maybe not. So close to 5% limit, guys. So if you trade top step or my funded futures, be careful with 5% limit, especially on my funded futures. Because if not mistaken, they can close your account because of this rule. Just keep your eyes. Guys, do you need this indicator for 5% limit? Actually, I found this, like you can like put 7% limit for Apex, take profit trader. Even if you don't need, I'm going to send the link. Okay, right here. And right here. So it's going to show you 5% limit on both sides, as you can see right here and right here. Just try to not to trade above 5% limit or below 5% limit right here. Be careful, just for your information. Send the link for this indicator in the chat. You can check this. Also send the link for news. Just scroll up if you want to track news. Yeah, it has delay, like minor delay, but still. Oops. Here's my chart window right here and right here. Yeah, just guys, be careful. Try to save your account. Just don't make stupid mistakes regarding these rules. I did not stream yesterday, so you didn't miss anything. You know what I just noticed? Daily open on NQ, which is price 800 points lower, not a big deal, has equal lows. Okay. Okay. Slowly going to previous day high on NQ as well. Still, we don't have any structure to downside, which is part of the game as well. Nine 30, 10. Okay. Kind of strange structure on gold. Still waiting for silver to take consolidation high if I want to trade something else. Strange structure on CL as well. Okay, going to stay in NQ then. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, 5 days look back. Agree with you. So far, only we have 1 minute order block. Not going to. I still dream about the test of 3 minute order block right here. Just going to, if I get strong structure, to try to short the 3 minute order block. You know. $10.08. I cannot say like we got perfect silver bullet because I cannot say like we even got the silver bullet set up yet. We got a test of this water block right here. We got breaker block right here. Considering SMT, not entirely sure yet. 300 points away from order block. That's crazy, I would say. That's crazy. I don't want to blindly trust 1 minute chart for now, after like pretty much solid move up right here since 9 a.m. Also would like to get some sort of structure on high time frame. As you can see, 20 minute chart just bullish, 1 hour chart just bullish, 4 charts just bullish. But once again, I'm not looking for reversal, I'm looking for retracement to the stimulant order block. That's it. Since we got SMT and confirmed range. Just yes. If I will look for short, based on solid setup, not just 1 minute chart, I will look for target at dividend order block, which will be 971. 971. Oh, see, they broke above this high again. Well, nothing interesting. Oops. Oops. You're welcome. Did you pull projections from 9 to a.m.? Huge lag right here. Kind of. I know. The only issue right now for me, and that's annoying, this 5 minute chart, like extremely, like just straight move up right here from market open from 950. So yes, kind of hard to find the proper structure for order block or something like this. But I guess smart people just right now want to say like, why are you trying to look for short? The market is running up, just trade with trend. What's the target at this point? But even the high can be data high, that's it. We're so close to that data high. Fake news yesterday. But as I said before, I will look for short. Hope to get the structure, proper structure for short. If I'm wrong, then well, I'm wrong. The only issue right now, I don't see setups yet to short. Because no way, guys, no way ES will not offer reaction from 4-hour fair value gap. I'm not talking about reversal. No, I'm talking about reaction. Reaction will be a good reaction. I hope so. I believe in this. Hope we can get something. A bit choppy right here, see this? That's annoying. But if AM session is going to be choppy, then PM session should be good. I hope so. But guys, once again, even if right now you see this huge up close candle on weekly, I feel like it's going to be down close candle by the end of the week. I see this as manipulation up so far. They will drop. Maybe it's going to be like small body, huge wicks, but I believe they will drop. That's totally fake move up, in my opinion. They're just trying to earn lots of money on so-called, stupid people who trying to pick the bottom. Investors or something like this, not us. Like, we trade funded. It's like sim funded accounts. Who cares about us? But overall idea. Yeah, maybe not today. Maybe. Just lots of people trying to pick the bottom right now. I believe because market dropped like overall. How many percent for 3 days? 12? Something like this, right? So they will do this for the reason. For PM session, normally I start like 1:30 PM. Yeah, CPI is going to be crazy. Totally agree with you. I tried yesterday, like lots of people recommended, like take vacation for this week. Just take vacation. You don't need to trade this week. But once again, if you just look for setup, trade with 1-2 micros. What 5%? Just go on Google, search what is 5% price limit for prop firms. First link, read this. Let us know. Just try to make your losses small. Don't trade 1 million. Don't even try to trade 5 micros. Just my recommendation, huge range. If you want to save your account, micros are still crazy. We don't have none options, unfortunately. I'm so sorry to say this. But guys, if you want to be smart, just try to protect your account and this volatility. Try to survive, If Apex is going to make a perfect deal by CPI, I will create stream just to full port, like to pass or fail with one trade. If Apex can make us a perfect sale, like 80%, 90%, I will try to be gambler to pass this for 1 second. Just for fun, for CPI. The full port is the way to go. Yes. I don't need like accounts because I have 20 fund accounts, but just for fun to see how it goes. Like, yeah, right now with this volatility, I trade 1-2 micros and nothing wrong with this. Just trust me. Call Apex. Can someone, send email to Apex, give us 90%? It's ridiculous to give us 50%. That's not what we want to get. Just right now, it's consolidation, guys. That's why I'm just trying to chill right now to see what is going on. I just still bullish. I don't want to like look for long because we're so close to previous day high level. Yeah, I saw they had this 90% off on their platform, but not lots of people trade their platform, right? Can't give away. If I'm going to do giveaway, I will do TradingView. Then I will think about take profit trader because take profit trader. I trade in take profit trader like most of the time right now, and perfect perform. If you want to get take profit trader, like I am in love with this. Nothing wrong for me. I happy I try this. I like it. I got 150K account if you're interested in this accounts. So my favorite is right now Apex and Take Profit Trader. My favorite is like on top list, Apex also has trading drawdown. I mean, I trade with trading drawdown for 2 years, and it was like 2,500. So right now I have 4,500 because I got 150K account, and this feels like a lot. Hard to blow account with $4,500 drawdown, right? I already said that. So you need to. Yeah, just right now it's a bullish. Have you heard about Blue? No, it's new prop firm. Did you try with them? Yes, they have exactly. They don't have trade drawdown for evaluation, but they have this for funded. Just trade smart, not hard, guys. It's wild. But it was fast somehow. Yeah. Only perfect setup that I saw today was on CL. That's it. Not on gold, not on NQ, not on something else. On CL. That's it. So far, even no attempt to take something right now. A bit choppy right here. If I want to just ignore for 1 minute chart and open 5 minute chart, it was choppy right here, like so-called time distortion, right? Then price just offered another straight move up. And just for fun, if I want to measure from here to here and just project this, we just got like exactly same move. Projected move, right? So close to previous day high level. What about news? What about news? What time is this? Okay, 10:20. Nothing interesting yet. Gold, not perfect price action because silver right now in consolidation. So that's why I highly recommend to try to stay away from gold until silver breaks the range. Up or down, I don't care. Just need to break this range. If you're looking for like SMT or something like this to confirm the bias, but overall, for some reason, I feel like gold and silver are like more bullish than bearish for some reason on daily because we got huge wick there with the liquidity level on silver. I'm like more bullish on silver and gold. And guys, I don't know like what about you, but I feel like right now just the DXY chart clearly inside market maker sell model, and all I want to see is the sell side liquidity. Also on Nvidia, oh look at this move up. We got exactly what I want to get from here. So what we got right here, we got the range between 2 and 2.5. So I would like to see the retracement. Maybe not that big, but I would like to see the retracement up. Then continuation lower. Maybe that's too much to ask, probably. But this sell side right here. Maybe I'm asking too much. But on Nvidia, I feel like move not completed yet for downside. But retracement preferably, yes. What do you think about Nvidia, guys? Right now, Nvidia at the zone where we can start slowly buying, right? But I feel like we still can go slightly lower. But once again, we can start buying somewhere right here at the range between 2 and 2.5. But I feel like just right now, it feels like it's not bottom yet. Yeah, I know. Apex right now only 50% sale. I see Streamlabs send this by mistake. Yeah, it's mistake. You know, I noticed when we got bad market conditions in 2008 or 2012, I don't remember for sure. DXY and Q and SPY, SPX, they were in exactly the same direction with DXY. That's not good for market when it's going to move in the same direction. Exactly the same picture was in 2028 and 2012 or 13. I don't remember for sure. You need to check this on your chart. But when market moves in exactly the same direction, that's not great. Like overall. Well, guys, what I can see minor SMT right here and right here. Only concern right now, for some magical reason, they decided to leave this previous day high level. Let's invert this mark chart right here and see what is going on 5-minute chart, just looking at this picture. We have SMT between ES and Q. It just inverted chart, guys. Left previous day high level. Even if, for example, let's say that it was drop, we're looking for long, kind of not enough for me to long yet. Waiting for proper structure first. Yeah, sometimes I need to invert, guys. I'm so sorry about this. My brain cannot work in bullish conditions. Only in bearish conditions. Crazy. I'm sorry, guys. See, yeah, me too. For some reason, I cannot trade this. Okay, we got other block. Let's be serious, guys. We got other block on both ES and Q so far. Both offered immediate reaction. Yes. Overall, I would like to see Nvidia a bit higher than drop. So at this point, I would like to see NQ and ES also lower. Yeah, that's crazy, right? Yeah, I know. Like lots of time when, for example, market keep going higher, all that like we got a couple of months back. I use this alt I like every single day. Right here, like just looking at this structure, it looks nice. What I want to say. Where is 9:30 a.m.? That's crazy, right? Previous day high needs to be taken, I believe. Because right here we were like 8 points away, which is crazy. But see how we just trying to stay inside this 4-hour order fair value gap. No way it failed to give us reaction. So I will try to trade. It depends who is going to be weak, who is going to be strong. We'll just try to trade stronger, I believe. Well, yeah, we have SMT again. Only issue, it failed to take this previous day high level. That's annoying. What I'm missing? I'm probably something missing right now. What time is this? Okay, it's about to be 10:30. Once again, we are not going to get sweep again. Would like to get this structure at least on high time frame. 30-minute chart will be nice to confirm reversal. Reasons are that they fail to take by how many points? 4 points? Are you serious? 4 points away from previous day high level. Oh my god. Anyway, needs to get order block. Every single order block already failed today. Like every single one. It's so annoying. I'm looking for short, but this previous day high level trying to stop me. Give me 1 second. Why it's so annoying? So I'm not in trade. I'd actually like not so badly, you know, just like makes sense to take them. Yeah, that's strong sign. Also, we have fair value gap on ES. Yeah, you're right about this. Just kind of felt like we need to take this level for some reason. Look at this force and deviation right at the top of the stream and order block. Oh my god. Well, might actually give it a try. Okay, we'll try. Wait. With this volatility, we'll try. Small size, 2 micros, you know. If going to stop me out and take previous day high level, we'll try again. Okay, trying off this breaker block right here. Let's see how it goes. Because totally possible they want to take, previous day high level first, then dump again. Probably. Anyway, feel like I need to try this. That's why I tried. So you don't need to ask questions. I entered because of this breaker block. So that's it. You can see TP number 1 on my chart. I will take there, if of course we can drop there. Because if NQ wants to take previous day high level, we'll wait for another exactly same structure to enter short again. Why I entered, we got, once again, we got breaker block, we got order block, we got structure with market structure shift. It was enough for me to enter the trade. 2 micros, so this to try. Not a big deal. Yeah, I mean, if it wants to take previous day high level first, okay, that's fine. I will try again. Okay, we got this. I mean, yes, right now in perfect structure for short. I mean, not like right now, just overall inside for fair value gap. That's why I'm looking for the tracement down. The only issue, yeah, that's huge for our fair value gap, you know? So yeah, that's why I will accept this loss. Yeah, guys, if you cannot see this as a strong high probability trade, of course, try avoid to take this trade. It can be loss, for example. I know, like we'll see. I trade when I see setup. That's it. Yeah, yes, hit previous day high level. We have SMT. Yes, inside for our fair value gap. I'm not saying like this should be winning trade. It just try. Yeah. Highly recommend to not to take huge like amount of contracts. Try to trade 1-2 micros and see how it goes. Trend is big, guys. Keep this in mind. Trend and range as well. Oh, that's 2 micros. Because stop loss big. I'm just trying to like calculate potential risk, and all I want to do right now to try with 2 micros with this range. It's not going to hurt me, you know? I got OT. Let's see how it goes. Oh, you can see points right here. It's points, it's not dollars. So in my opinion, it was good. And I explained why I enter it right here. If you see this like low probability, and highly recommend to trade small size once again. If you see this as low probability, of course, try to stay away from shorting when we have huge trend. It's just my recommendation. If you can avoid taking this trade, because for example, for you that's low probability, try to do this. Okay, guys? I'm just trying to like explain, like you don't need to copy someone, just have your own brain and try to take your trades based on your own analysis. Yeah, like 1-2 micros. That's what I call proper risk management. Okay, we did not take previous day high level. That's my concern. I'm not going to lie. But yes, took this level inside for our fair value gap. If NQ wants to take previous day high level, I will accept this. We'll look for another opportunity to enter the trade after previous day high level. So I'm not going to complain about this. Because that's possible. That's possible, guys. 2-minute chart a bit choppy. Yeah, doesn't look great. I did not finish watching this new ICT model video. I will. I watched maybe like 15 minutes. Need to finish this. Was it interesting? I mean, I will watch because lots of people talking about this. Maybe I should watch this. I will watch, guys, I promise. Then I will share my opinion about this. But once again, I believe every single strategy model works. It's all about risk management, right? I would say it was last ICT video. You can watch, share your opinion about this. I believe many people watch because lots of people ask me about this model. I'm not entirely sure what to say because I did not finish this. If it's going to be win, I'm going to be happy. If it's going to be loss, then I will accept this. So I need to respect my stop loss. It's just all part of the game. Only issue, yes, NQ failed to take previous day high level. That's my concern, but we have SMT with confirmed market structure shift and order block. I entered off this breaker block right here. I highlighted this on NinjaTrader. That's the reason. So yeah, I'm looking for the overall looking for the tracement. Not entirely sure how big the tracement, but we'll see. Just playing games right now. Trade to this first presented 122. Why I put this a bit lower? 122 is right here. SMT at lows, SMT at highs. Like, today every single SMT failed. So it's part of the game. Yeah. Why we don't have magnet option? That's always annoying. We got equal highs, right? Equal lows, not equal highs, obviously. Right here. This one, equal highs, right? Equal lows. Why equal highs? Come on, Dasha, what's wrong with you? How to change color? That's equal lows right here, not equal highs. Partial. I have only 2 micros, so if I could have like 3 micros, I would take partial at this blue line. But I will probably trail my stop loss simply. Inverted. Since it's 2 micros, it makes sense to me to wait, like, to sit in this trade. So this blue line, if you have like lots of micros, is partial time. This blue line right here. Yeah. Where's next option? It was partial time. For some reason, my chart. What it was? So this blue line is partial time. I mean, I'm going to sit anyway because levels, my target's slower. But if you want to take partial, you can. Life did not prepare me for this volatility. Come on, guys. I don't want to have heart attack. Anyway. It's crazy. So right here, this blue line is partial. If you want to take like I said, you can take partial right here. Since it's 2 micros, I'm going to just sit and like relax. I will take partial right here. I'm not entirely sure if we can reach this, but if we can, that's going to be good. If not, then it's not going to be good. Just take partial and like we will be happy. If not, then we will not be that happy. But interesting the action from this equal also, as you can see, this blue line, light blue line on my chart. We have minor SMT between yes and cut loss again. Give us partial, please. Be kind with us. We were nice this day. We were waiting for setup, please. I'm missing something. Give me 1 second. Yeah, partial at the right place, in my humble opinion. Right here. 188 at least. $1.75, okay. If not like 84, but 3-minute order block right here, right below this sell side liquidity. We'll move my stop loss at these bodies right here. I'm keeping my eyes on the ES. You just cannot see this right now on your screen, but I can see this on my screen. Don't worry. Hey! Hello? Not funny, maybe? We took 1 standard deviation right here. I will take partial right now, guys, for 70 points. I will move at break-even, guys. Took just partial for 70 points. Kind of crazy volatility. Displays below equal lows. Yeah, happy with this. I do have 20, yes, Apex funded accounts. I have 3 take profit trader. Set magnets, put magnets. I mean, I just not if you decide like to leave your stop loss at the right place, yeah, you can put magnets on your chart. I just not entirely sure if I want to put my stop loss back. We'll stay. Cannot complain about 70 points partial, you know. Yes, exactly, guys. ES is about to hit first presented, while our target on NQ also first presented. So you maybe want to think about like considering ES for your analysis while trading NQ, which also will be smart. ES is about to hit first presented. I'm keeping my eyes. Maybe I will close because of ES, guys. I'm not going to lie. But you can keep this. I one contract left. I will show you real quick. I may actually close once ES hit first presented. If it may hit, maybe I will close, guys. Maybe you will call me like stupid, but I don't care. Come on, ES. Did not hit yet. You know, I'm a person who look for conservative target most of the time. Keeping my eyes on ES right now. Still keeping my eyes on ES. Still keeping and keeping and keeping. Yeah, don't want to be greedy. Exactly. ES hit first presented fair value gap. I actually going to just trail, I guess. Right? Because NQ did not hit this liquidity and order block. Guys, as you can see, ES just hit first presented. It can give us reaction. It's up to you. Close. You can close. I allow you. You got my permission. You can close. Well, out. It's time to offer free fall because I close this trade. But as you can see, it took this liquidity level. Yeah, it's okay. Good job, guys. Yeah, look at this. Yes, took first presented. Yeah, I did smart. I did smart. I don't care. You can drop another 100 points. I don't care. I believe. But whatever. Who cares? Now it's going to drop. First presented, it was formed at, give me 1 second, I will tell you. 135. Okay, 35. 935, guys. 935 was first presented fair value gap. Now it's time to drop more, simply because I closed. Free fall. Guys, if you're still holding, you can hold. My final target was set at first presented, but I don't want to be greedy, guys. With this volatility, it's nice to get 80, like 100 points trade. We have indicator. Yeah, we have indicator for first presented. Just go into indicator section and you'll find this. I don't want to be greedy. Profit is profit, so I'm not going to complain about this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Now you're going to complain about 80 points trade? Come on, are you serious? No, you don't want to complain about this, right? Maybe even more. We could get like 160, 80, 90, like. No, let me do like this. Where we entered. Where's our entry? Let me see. It was somewhere right here. I don't remember sure. Come on. I'm fine to take profit as well. Happy I decided to wait, you know? It's like, it's all about to trust your analysis, right? Even right now, I'm so happy my analysis was right, correct. Look at this, my full target can be hit. Amazing. My longs, I'm sorry. See, even like full TP could be hit. Not yet, but it was close, 7 points away. Absolutely amazing trade. It was 2.5, 4R. You out? Perfect. Amazing. Good job. Good job on holding this. I'm like, okay. Sometimes when I'm greedy, guys, it just goes to my break even. I know myself. If I can, like, trade this, okay. But entry was amazing. Even full TP is about to hit. Great. Great analysis. Green area. I have no idea. I don't remember. You closed? Perfect. Amazing. Full CP was to the 3-minute order block, but I'm not going to lie, I'm not entirely sure about the 3-minute order block. I was sure about first presented. That's pretty much it. Well, not bad. Could be worse. Holding? Yeah, if you just keep holding this, you can just trail your stop loss. That's pretty much it. Could hit my full TP. Great trade. It wasn't unicorn, but it was close to 2022 model, right? Do you recommend the top step? Yes, I do recommend top step. See, my full TP could be hit right here. Great. You entered before me. Okay. Here's final TP. Like on this analysis, I'm not going to lie, I would never hold to this final TP. 1 hour CP. Okay. Seems like we got low resistance, right? I'm not going to trade anymore. I prefer to stick to 1 trade a day. Sometimes 2 trades a day, but most of the time prefer to stick to 1 trade a day. Straight to funded. I highly recommend to go on their website. They have rules on their website. Even like you can read there. Nothing to hide, I guess. You can. I don't know how to explain. It was just classic 2022 model. I already explained. Like I wasn't entirely sure like if it's going to like continue going lower because previous day high wasn't taken, but we got SMT. And as I said before, no way ES will not offer reaction from fair value gap. So if you watch my post yesterday on Twitter, I'm going to like show this again if you want. It's like, let me show you first. I will explain right now. So yesterday on Twitter, I shared perfect post. Of course, no one watched this because lots of questions about this. Here's a post on Twitter yesterday. What can we see? Smart money reversal. Okay, we're looking for smart money reversal and we're looking for structure. So for example, we got 4-hour PZR, we're looking 5-minute, for example, market maker model. But once again, we are not ready to look for the reversal, we're looking for the retracement. For example, we are on D premium, we're looking for back to discount. And once again, once we hit high time frame PZR, as you can see week right here, this week on lower time frame is going to look like this, right? So it's going to look like classic market maker model. And if you go on in ES, on this chart, we just hit this fair value gap. It should offer at least something similar to market maker model, right? So this means once we hit fair value gap, I don't care, like order block, breaker block, conversion, whatever, every single PDR, we have lots of millions options, right? We want to switch on lower time frame to find the structure because most likely it will offer market maker model. And for example, I did not trade ES, but I said I'm going to use ES for my analysis on Q. And what I saw there, we got high time frame PZR, we got SMT, we got change in the state of delivery, we got market structure shift, we got breaker block. So my entry was right where? Right here. Once price did trace to this order breaker block, I entered. My stop loss was above this fix, and final target was right here. That's just classic 2022 model, like nothing to hide. I would say I explained this. I wasn't confident. I'm not going to. I wasn't confident because previously high level, but the reason why I entered it offered like SMT with like once again. Where's my picture? Best way to confirm smart money reversal: high time frame PDRA, lower time frame change in the state of delivery, lower time frame market structure shift. And what we got right here? We got SMT on high time frame, for example, and we got high time frame level on ES. We got change in the state of delivery. We got market structure shift. So considering these signs right here, yes, we just got this one. Make sense? We got signs of smart money reversal. Does this part make sense? And for example, you can aim for every single PDRA. For example, you can trade from one PDRA to opposite PDRA. Let's say you traded from floor fair value gap, you want to trade to another opposite floor fair value gap, or you're looking for conservative levels. Because I'm conservative target trader, I'm looking for conservative targets only. And conservative target at this point was first presented. We also hit 2 standard deviation. I'm not saying like it cannot reverse and continue going lower. It can. But right here it was nice. Did you count it? Can? What do you mean? Nope. What this means? No, just let me... guys, absolutely classic 2022 model. Price even retraced to this OT. Like, I don't know what to add to this analysis. It was just classic model. Let's see if price can continue going lower, because from the range between 2 and 2.5, we got retracement to 1 and 1.5. First deviation lines up with 3-minute order block. Maybe we will hit this. Maybe not. I don't know. It wasn't really like 3-minute order block. It was 1 minute 2022 model. So I'm happy because my entry was low risk sell, exactly as Chris said, I believe. And just 2022 model. And right now, I don't need to complain about like trying to find short again somewhere right here in deep discount to aim, for example, for first standard deviation, which is possible once again. I'm just fine right now and entered as almost 20 top and traded to discount. Like I traded almost entire leg of market maker sell model. 1 minute market maker sell model. Right now, of course, once again, it can continue going lower, for example, to 3-minute order block, which was our original idea. But I'm fine. Yeah, I mean, once we got 15-minute P0, we can look for 1 minute market maker model. Or, for example, we can use hourly P0 to use 1 minute chart for analysis for market maker model. Okay, guys, it was absolutely great stream. I stream like daily. And like, subscribe. What I can say, guys, I live stream in front of people, live trade in front of people. Nothing to hide. I hope you enjoy this. I will see everyone tomorrow. Once again, be smart. With this volatility, you don't want to trade a huge amount of contracts. Be smart. Yeah. What else? Thank you for supporting me, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to do giveaways this week. Giveaways this week. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, guys, have a perfect rest of the day. And see you tomorrow. If any important questions, keyword important questions from me, you can ask on Twitter or Instagram. Don't ask what is fair value gap or breaker block. I'm not going to answer this. And guys, don't send message like hi and that's it. I'm not going to reply these messages again. Once again, only like important questions, and I'm going to reply. Just don't send me message hi, hello, or something like this without continuation, right? Okay, guys. See you tomorrow.